Welcome to this video on recommender systems and deep learning foundations. Today, we explore how to architect a modern intelligence engine. E-commerce platforms manage millions of items, most of which fall into the long tail of popularity. Traditional search tools often overlook these items, making automated discovery essential for users. There are two primary paradigms for item discovery: collaborative filtering, which uses interaction history, and content-based filtering, which uses item metadata. Each has its own trade-offs regarding cold start vulnerabilities and serendipity. The mathematical engine behind these systems uses decomposition to translate a massive user-item interaction matrix into latent factors. This maps users and items into a shared vector space. To provide recommendations, algorithms often use vector geometry. Cosine Similarity is a common metric used to measure the distance between vectors, allowing the system to rank recommendations effectively. Data sparsity is a significant barrier in recommender systems, as users typically interact with only a tiny fraction of available items. This creates a matrix filled with empty spaces, where linear algorithms often fail to make accurate predictions. Deep learning models overcome these challenges by using neural networks instead of simple dot products. A multi-layer perceptron can learn complex, non-linear relationships, resulting in more accurate prediction scores. Knowledge graphs help solve the cold start problem for new users who lack history. By providing structured metadata, the system can utilize content-based filtering to provide relevant recommendations even without prior interactions. Because real-world datasets mostly record positive interactions, engineers must use negative sampling to train models effectively. By sampling unclicked items, the model learns to distinguish between relevant and irrelevant content. System design involves a constant trade-off between exploitation and exploration. Exploitation focuses on showing users what they already like to maximize engagement, while exploration suggests new content to better understand user preferences. Many industrial applications, such as YouTube, utilize a two-stage deep learning pipeline. This architecture filters millions of items down to a personalized top K ranking for the user. In the first stage, the candidate generation network ingests the massive corpus and processes broad user history to output a narrow, manageable pool of candidates. The second stage involves a ranking network that evaluates the filtered candidates. By assigning precise probability scores, the system can determine the optimal order for recommendations. We must also consider the ethical implications of perfect optimization. Mathematical feedback loops can reinforce existing beliefs and unintentionally trap users in isolated filter bubbles. Recommender systems drive the modern digital economy. By mastering the translation of mathematical matrices into intelligent architectures, you can help build the technology of tomorrow.